Hello, welcome back to Trust Me, I'm an Idiot. My name is Mike, and today we're replacing the EVAP control valve thing on the Infiniti. So this should be hopefully mildly interesting, but also short, so trust me.
Yeah, what you plan and what takes place ain't ever exactly been similar.
Alright, so the first thing we need to do underneath the car after we get it safely jacked up on jack stands is remove this sort of plastic skid plate thing, because the part we want is right here. So this takes 5 10 millimeter nuts and bolts, 2 in the back, 2 on each side, 1 up front, and then 2 of these little poppers to hook it to the bumper cover. So once you get that skid plate off, come down here underneath the car. This is the passenger side over here, driver's side there, front of the car. This right here is the valve in question. It says you should be able to just twist it, pop it off. Alright, good news, I didn't break mine. It's got this little tab right here that just kind of clicks into another piece of plastic. And this is the valve we're going to be working on. Now, it says there's a fault. So first thing I'm going to do is probably clean up all these electrical contacts and replace it. Also, to get it to twist off, see those 4 tabs? Twist it about 45 degrees, and then it should be able to pop out. Here, pop. It is a bit of a pain to get back on, as I discovered. I had to hit mine with the wrench a little bit to kind of just get it pop into place. So there's 2 different size tabs on it. You can see, and then they fit into little slots, so be careful when you line it up. Smack it back in, should be good to go.